Today, I want to talk about 7 AI-powered business ideas you can run by yourself from anywhere with Wi-Fi. And look, these are not those get-rich-quick business ideas that you see all over the internet. These are real businesses that require work, learning, and consistency. But here's what's cool. AI tools let you do the work that used to take an entire team to do. So you can actually pull these off by yourself. I'm going to walk you through each one and break down how these work, what you need to get started, and what you can realistically charge. If you enjoy this type of content, please hit that like button so I know to create more helpful content like this. Our first business idea is AI-powered content writing. So let me paint a picture for you. There's a small business owner who knows they need blog posts every week to get found on Google, but they can't afford a full-time writer. That's where you come in. You use ChatGPT to pump out initial drafts, then add your human touch, editing, fact-checking, and making it sound perfect. Now, hypothetically, and for example, you might charge them, say, a few $100s monthly to handle their content writing. They get what they need, you make money, and AI did most of the work. So what are you doing exactly? Well, you're writing blog posts, website copy, emails for business, and even social media content. You use AI for first drafts, and then you polish them up. You don't need a fancy degree, but you do need decent writing skills and good attention to detail. But the demand is real because businesses are desperate for consistent content. And startup costs for this business are relatively low, around $20 to $50 monthly for ChatGPT Plus, and I also recommend using Grammarly. And according to Upwork and Contently's rates, blog posts can range from $50 to $200 each, depending on length and experience. Or monthly retainers start around $200 to $500 per month. Now, these will vary widely, so research what others charge in your niche, and I recommend starting on the lower end. Now, here's how you get started. First, you need to brush up your AI writing skill. Then create 3 to 5 samples that you can show to clients. Then reach out to 20 local businesses in your area with either discounted rates or even offer to do their first few pieces of content for free. This will help you get your foot in the door, and make sure you deliver. Heck, make sure you over deliver with solid work so you can get testimonials. Then you can start increasing your prices. And here's a pro tip. Specialize in one industry like real estate or fitness. When you specialize, you become the expert in that space and can potentially charge more for your services. It also helps you stand out among the competition. Number 2 is setting up AI chatbots for local businesses. So for example, there's a dentist office who gets 50 calls every single day. Half of those calls are just people asking basic stuff like, what are your hours? Where are you located? Do you take my insurance? Well, a chatbot could handle most of those calls, saving the receptionist several hours each day. So what you're doing is you're setting up AI chatbots for businesses' websites and their social media accounts. Here's what makes this even better. You can use GoHighLevel's built-in AI chatbot feature. No programming required, and businesses desperately need this. They have a basic plan that's only $97 a month, but when you use my affiliate link, you can try it for free for 30 days. If you go straight to their website, it would be 14 days. Plus, this also includes a 5-day AI chatbot training to help you get started. If you're interested, I'll put a link below in the description. And according to Upwork and freelancer rates, setup fees range from $200 to $600 for beginners, plus $40 to $100 monthly for maintenance, depending on complexity. And some people do package deals. I recommend researching local pricing and start on the lower end as you build up your experience. Now, to get started, build 2 to 3 example bots to show what you can do. Then contact some local service-based businesses in your area and offer a free demo. Target places like dentists, salons, restaurants, gyms, anywhere someone needs to actually pick up the phone or text to book a service. Next is AI video editing, and this one is super practical. For example, let's say there's a business coach who just recorded a 45-minute YouTube video. They know they should turn it into short clips for TikTok and Instagram and YouTube Shorts, but editing manually would take them hours. What you're doing is taking long-form content, think podcasts, YouTube videos, webinars, and turning them into short clips. AI identifies viral moments and auto edits. Then Then you add captions and clean things up. And you only need basic editing skills because AI automates most of the work. Now, depending on your skill level, this might take more time in the beginning, but as your skills develop, your time to edit will be less. Now, startup costs for this are a little bit higher. You're looking at $50 to $150 monthly for tools like Opus Clip, CapCut, and Descript. Now, according to Upwork and industry surveys, this pricing is going to vary. Some editors charge per clip starting at $10 to $30 each, while others do monthly packages starting around $150 to $400 depending on the value. So I recommend you research your target niche and start conservatively with your pricing. Now, to start, practice on friends' videos, or heck, practice on your own videos and create before and after samples to show what you can do. Then start reaching out to smaller podcasters and YouTubers. Offer to do their first clips for free to get some practice, but most importantly, to start building a portfolio and getting testimonials. And here's a pro tip. Focus on one niche, like business coaches, fitness coaches, or real estate agents. Not only will this help to simplify your workflow, but it will help you stand out from the competition that just offers general short form editing. Next is AI voiceover. So this one is really, really cool. And it's not for everybody, but with AI voiceover tools now, you can offer voiceovers without needing expensive equipment or having some perfect radio voice. You can create voiceovers for YouTube videos, online courses, audiobooks, ads, all kinds of stuff. You can use AI tools to do it, or you can record your own voice and use AI to enhance it and make it sound even better. Now, startup costs are a bit higher because you do need to invest in some equipment to get started. You can pick up a decent USB microphone for around $100 to $300. I recommend the Blue Yeti. That's the mic that I first started with, and it's a great entry-level microphone. Then you need about $30 monthly for 11 Labs and $12 for Descript. Now, these tools will help with making your voice sound better and simplify your workflow with text-to-speech AI. According to voices.com and ACX, short videos might start around $30 to $75, whereas medium projects can range between $75 to $150, and audiobooks can range from a few hundred to several $1,000 depending on the length and your experience. Check voices.com and Fiverr for current rates in your particular niche. Now, to get started, record 5 samples in different styles. Do an energetic one, a calm one, a professional one, just to show your range. Then post your portfolio on Fiverr and Upwork. You can also offer your services for free or low cost to start to get your foot in the door and really hone your voiceover skills. Now, here's a pro tip. Offer what I call a hybrid service. Use AI for rough drafts that clients can review quickly. Then, once they approve the script, record the final version with your real voice. This saves time and gives you the best of both worlds. Business idea number 5, AI thumbnails and graphic design. Every YouTuber, myself included, and business owner needs eye-catching graphics. Before AI, you needed years of Photoshop experience. But once you master the tools, AI can create professional designs in minutes. You're creating YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, course covers, all the visual stuff, and no design degree needed. And turnaround times with AI are relatively quick. Now, there's a lot of tools out there, both free and paid, for creating thumbnails. For free, I recommend using Canva. I still use Canva to this day to create some of my graphics. Or you could use a paid tool like Pixels that instantly transforms your ideas into stunning thumbnails. Now, when it comes to pricing, I looked at Fiverr and 99 Design data. Thumbnails range from $10 to $50 each when starting out. Social graphics can range between $15 and $40. Once you get clients, you can offer monthly retainer packages, and rates vary based on your experience, the type of work you're doing, and the niche you're in. Start lower and adjust as you build your portfolio. And to get started, create 10 to 15 samples in different styles for your portfolio. Create an Instagram account to showcase your work and start reaching out to small YouTubers. I've personally hired several thumbnail designers over the years who reached out to me directly and shared their Instagram account with samples of their work. Next is AI social media management. Every small business owner knows, myself included, that they should be posting on social media consistently. But here's the reality. They're busy actually running their business. They don't have time to come up with captions, create graphics, and post 5 times a week. What you're doing is managing social accounts using AI for captions and content ideas. Everyone already understands how social media works, so you're not learning some crazy new skill. AI just does the creative heavy lifting for you. And remember that all-in-one tool I mentioned earlier, GoHighLevel? Well, they have a built-in social media planner for scheduling, publishing, and managing content across multiple social media platforms from a single dashboard. And based on Upwork, Fiverr, and industry reports, basic packages start around $200 to $400 monthly for limited posts on one platform. More comprehensive packages with multiple platforms can run higher, and pricing varies based on post frequency, platforms, and whether you're handling engagement. So definitely research your niche and start conservative. Now, to get started, reach out to friends and family with small businesses and offer to manage their social media for 30 days. Then document the results like follower growth, engagement, audience demographics, and best times to post. This will help you build up a very powerful portfolio that you can showcase to potential new clients. Next is AI-powered virtual assistant. Think about this for a second. There's a busy entrepreneur out there who's spending hours every single week just on email and scheduling meetings, when they could be using that time to actually grow their business. And here's the beautiful part. AI does so much of the work that you can potentially serve multiple clients at once without losing your mind. What you're doing is providing virtual assistant services. Email management, scheduling, data entry, research, all that admin stuff that bogs people down. You just need to be organized and reliable, and AI makes you more efficient than traditional VAs, which is a huge plus. Now, to get started, you can use the free version of ChatGPT, but you might also want to add the more advanced ChatGPT version in the future, plus tools like Asana and Calendly to help with your workflow. These are going to range between $50 to $100. According to Upwork, Belay, and ZipRecruiter, entry-level VAs can charge around $30 to $50 plus per hour, and monthly retainers typically range from $300 to $2,000 a month, depending on the workload and your experience level. Now, what you charge in the beginning is going to vary greatly depending on what skills you bring to the table and the type of work that you're doing. To start, practice with friends and family. Create simple templates for common tasks so you're not reinventing the wheel every single time. Join entrepreneur Facebook groups and offer your services. My favorite place to hire VAs for my business is Upwork. This is a great place to get your feet wet. I recommend taking on some very basic tasks to start. Now, these will pay a little bit lower, but it's a great way to build up your portfolio and start getting testimonial. Over time, you can start to raise your fees. But here's what makes you different from other VAs. You're not just any VA. You're a tech-savvy VA who uses AI for speed and accuracy. That's your competitive edge. And reality check, this isn't some autopilot business where you set it and forget it. You have to be responsive, reliable, and professional. If you're flaky or make mistakes, clients will not want to work with you. But if you're good at what you do and you're consistent, they'll refer you to friends and you'll never have to hunt for clients again. And if you want to learn about my favorite one-person AI business, then check out my video here where I go into more detail on how to actually do this AI business and how to get started. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.